You search for how to buy shares of Avis Budget Group Inc., and this short guide will show the basic steps. Avis Budget Group runs car rental and mobility services. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CAR, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I use eToro as an example to show the flow. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID document, and then add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CAR to find a listing. Confirm you have selected Avis Budget Group Inc. and not another similarly named company. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent performance. Double-check the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm it is the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next market open, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After the order executes, the position appears in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the example link if you want to explore the platform shown.